Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Ruble Solutions. In this video, we are going to do the exercise question and answers of lesson 4 of class 3. The lesson 4 class 3 full video is available in playlist section. In that video, we have discussed full chapter with you. This video consists of only question and answers. Okay, let's go to exercise part. The chapter is working in Edubuntu. All the recap is given in the previous video. Okay, section A. Filling the blanks. Dash is the first screen of Edubuntu that appears when the computer is switched on. The answer is desktop. The small labeled pictures or symbols present on the desktop are called icons. Menu bar. Dash is the long horizontal bar at the top of desktop menu bar. Deleted files moves to dash folder. Trash. Dash means turning off the computer, shutting down. To select non-adjacent icons, hold down the dash key and click on the desired icon. Control. Now comes the true-false. State true and false. Dash is the topmost icon on the launcher. 2. True. Linux does not support multi-user. False. The indicator area shows clock, calendar and speaker volume. True. The keep aligned option is used to arrange the desktop icon. True. Linux was developed on 5th October 1999. False. To change the desktop background, left click on the blank area of the desktop. False. It is the right click. Clicking the right button of the mouse displays the shortcut menu. True. Application based question. Mohit is using computer for the first time. He cannot identify the small pictures present on the left side of the screen. What are they called? Icons. Karan wants to change the desktop background of his computer. He has right click on the blank area of desktop. Now which option he should select from the shortcut menu for the same? The answer is change desktop background. Section B A part. Multiple choice question. Which program manages all the jobs of a computer? Operating system. Icons of favorite applications can be added to the dash for convenience. Launcher. To arrange the icons on desktop, dash click on the blank area. Right click. Who developed the Linux? Linus Torvalds. The process of loading the first program into the computer memory is called dash. Booting. Dash is the most popular operating system that is available free of cost. The answer is Linux. Name the icons which perform the following actions. Stores the deleted files. Trash. For finding the application stored in the computer memory. Dash. To change the computer settings like change of passwords, display brightness, system setting. Similar to the start menu of Windows. Dash. Turn on Edubuntu. Shut down. Answer in one word. Name the area left to the menu bar that displays clock, calendar and speaker volume. The answer is indicator area. What are the small labels, pictures or symbols present on the desktop shown as icons? Name the option which is used to remove the application icon from the launcher. Unlock from launcher. Which application is used to change the computer settings? System setting. Name the term used for process of loading operating system. The answer is booting. Name the icon on which we find the shutdown option. Shutdown. Now answer the following question. I have written the page number for all the answers. So please go through the original chapter link that is given in the playlist named playlist का नाम है playlist for class 3 students. Go to chapter 4, there you will find the full detail. I have mentioned here the page numbers. What is Linux? Give 2 reasons that have made it popular. It is clearly given on page number 34. What is desktop? It is clearly given on page number 35. I again repeat, please go to the playlist section and click on the class 3 playlist of chapter 4 for these answers. Describe the term launcher. Page number 35 has the answer. What does an icon mean? Page number 35 has the answer. Name the option that displays icon in an alphabetical order on the desktop. Page number 38 contains the answer. What is the utility of dash icon? Page number 35 gives the answer. Now the activity section. Across. Dash are the small labeled pictures present on the desktop. Icons. The key that helps in selecting adjacent items. Shift. It stores the deleted files. Dash, trash. The icons, the image that appears in the background of desktop is known as wallpaper. Down. The first screen that appears with the labeled picture is called desktop. The key that helps in selecting the non-adjacent icon is called control. The dash button gives quick access to the application stored in the computer. Dash is the most popular operating system that is available free of cost, Linux. Now the lab section. Place the cursor on the file icons present on the launcher bar. लैब में जाके आप ये सब प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं. उसके बाद डबल क्लिक द आइकन, द होम फोल्डर विल ओपन. नेक्स्ट लैब सेक्शन से लैब में आप प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं. डबल क्लिक ऑन द डॉक्यूमेंट ऑप्शन ऑन द लेफ्ट पेन. इट विल ओपन द डॉक्यूमेंट्स फोल्डर. Select the adjacent folder by clicking on the first icon to be selected. Click the mouse on the blank area. Select the non-adjacent folder by holding down Ctrl key. Click on the close button to close the home folder. Now arrange the icons on your desktop by name. उसी तरह से आप प्रैक्टिकल कर सकते हो changing the desktop background and customizing the launcher. Right click on the blank area of the desktop. A list of options will come. Right click करो blank area पे. Select the option change desktop background from the list. The appearance dialog box appears. Select any background from the displayed list of the pictures under wallpaper category. A preview of selected background will appear on the desktop. Now change the size of launcher icon by using the launcher icon size scroll bar present on the bottom right corner of the window. इसी तरह से आप ग्रुप डिस्कशन कर सकते हैं और एक प्रोजेक्ट बना सकते हैं. I hope this exercise series will help you in near future. We have done the exercise series of class 2 and class 3 is going on, and we are planning for class 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. We really hope that these small, simple, very raw series are helping you in day-to-day life. Thank you for all the viewers all the learners, all the mentors, everyone, each and every person who are here with Rubel Solutions be filled with happiness and blessings. Thank you from core of my heart. Gratitude towards you all. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Have a nice day. Love, love.